Hey awesomes, welcome to my channel guys, Adam Burwell. And if mag-subscribe kayo below guys, I will do my best to keep you satisfied, to keep you informed, entertained, inspired, and intrigued. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please hit the subscribe button below. See, I am doing my best to speak in Tagalog for the most part of this vlog because as you can see in the video, we will be talking about paano makakuha ng mga subscribers na hindi YouTubers. I think this is the ultimate goal, the ultimate target for us YouTubers, content creators, na makakuha tayo ng mga subscribers talaga na nanonood sa atin, hindi lang dahil nanonood tayo sa video nila. Gets nyo yan? Alam ko, you know that already. Kasi yung point ko dito guys is hanggang kailan tayo I'll watch your video if you watch mine. Na-appreciate ko minsan yung mga nagko-comment talaga, nag-watch sa video ko na YouTuber friends ko din na hindi ko nag-watch ng video nila a few hours or the day before that. Because talagang ito sila is interested sila sa content mo. Pero ultimately, yung goal natin dito guys is to get the subscribers na hindi YouTubers. Alam nyo yan. And that is basically where we get to grow our channel and then be a real influencer talaga na hindi lang like 90% sa subscribers natin ay YouTubers din. So, paano nga ba? Sa akin kasi, parang alam na natin yan. It's just that we are limited because of the regulations sa YouTube. Copyright claims, copyright strikes. So, first and foremost, one thing that alam na talaga natin is that we need to capitalize on trending topics. So, anong ibig kong sabihin? So, basically, kung anong trending, be it worldwide, be it local dito sa Philippines, we need to make a content basing on that topic. So, saan natin makukuha yun? Obviously, Twitter. Magbabad sa twitter.com, yan yung first tip ko. And the good thing about Twitter is that you will see real-time trends. Everywhere in the world, you can set it worldwide trends or Philippine trends or even each country na trending real-time. So say for example, if yung channel mo is about cover, kumakanta ka, normally kapag ang artist merong i-upload or merong bagong song, ang mga fans niyan is mag-tweet na hours before the actual releasing of the song. So ang mangyayari, magte-trend yon and then malalaman mo talaga na meron palang merong bagong song ang BTS or merong bagong song si Yeng Constantino. Ganon. So what you can do is that aabangan mo yung mga channel ng mga artist na to and then when the time comes na mag-release sila sa bagong song, then you can either make a reaction video or make a cover. Now, reaction video is, of course, medyo tricky yan kasi, of course, there's always gonna be a possibility na makaka-copyright claim, makaka-copyright strike, for example, si Tulfo, di ba? So, the good thing about reaction video though, guys, is that you can always react without showing any videos. For example, Rafi Tulfo. Trending, di ba? Trending always, Rafi Tulfo. You can just always react. Talk and you know what are your thoughts? Ano ang opinion mo regarding sa video na to, regarding sa trending topic na to. Di ba? Vlogger tayo, YouTuber tayo, we should know how to talk in front of the camera and not just relying on some knockout videos of wherever trending topics that we have. So, yan yung first tip ko. We need to capitalize on trending topics. Kasi guys, kapag nagdi-daily vlogs tayo, kapag nagba-vlog lang tayo, like a day in the life, sino bang manonood sa atin? Tayo-tayo lang. Tayo-tayo lang rin manonood. So, hanggang kailan tayo magpaplastikan? Kung, di ba? Small YouTubers tayo, we don't have social proof. Kaya nga, obviously, ang artista is that from their fans, pupunta sila sa YouTube, automatic, meron na silang organic subscribers. Yung mga hindi talaga YouTubers kasi meron na silang social proof, di ba? Meron na silang tatak that on the entertainment industry, they are someone na talagang kapanood-panood. So what if tayo lang talaga, daily vlogs or random vlogs, alam ko we can appreciate na original yung mga vlogs natin, pero at the end of the day, magsasuffer yung channel natin guys, kasi eventually yung manonood is tayo. Imagine, di ba? 4,000 subscribers, 5,000 subscribers, 6,000 subscribers natin. Mga ganong level. And then ang mangyayari is yung mga views natin is like hundreds, 200, 300, 400. So, saan yung iba? Di ba? Kaya nga, yung ultimate goal talaga natin is at least majority of our subscribers ay hindi YouTubers. Di ba? And then, like I said kanina, ang magagawa natin yan, the very easy way to get that is to capitalize on what's trending. Diba? Punta tayo sa Twitter, gawa tayo ng mga reaction video ng mga cover artists or mga sports event or kahit na ano, basta at least yung majority ng final content sa video mo is input mo. So for example, nag-reaction video ka kay Tulfo, of course, huwag mo lang ipakita. Maybe ipakita mo kahit few seconds lang talaga yung mga clips sa kay Tulfo. And then, at least yung majority sa video mo is opinion mo talaga. Hindi lang lahat lang, magnanakaw. Hindi lang lahat ng nakaw na talaga na video lahat. Kasi, of course, yun? Parang you're just uploading a lot of stuff. Pulling out clips or videos from Instagram, Facebook, and then uploading it at YouTube. So, Magna TV, ang ganon. Diba? So, yun. And second, create content na either mag-i-inform sa mga tao, yung mga how-to na mga video, yung mga paano na video, and then, of course, yung mga entertainment, comedy na video, yung makapabibigay ng laugh or aliw sa mga tao, di ba? Nagtitrend yun. And, of course, kapag nakikita nyo talaga na meron na kayong trending na video, capitalize on that certain niche. Try to sacrifice na lang muna yung passion nyo because of course, there's always gonna be a very thin line between your passion and then if you're gonna be thinking about the business side of your channel para hindi siya ma-close. Diba? You have to think sometimes that business din talaga. YouTube is a business. If ang channel nyo is parang nowhere, walang direction, it's just like fluctuating, ganun lang talaga. So, ano pang ginagawa nyo dito? Di ba? Mag-Facebook na lang. Upload na lang your vlogs sa Facebook. So, anong difference? Di ba? Because, you have to ask yourself kung bakit ba kayo nandito in the first place. Kasi, of course, you have to think as well yung paano yung business strategy dito, di ba? So, ultimately, yung goal natin guys, alam nyo na yun, ang gusto talaga natin is yung mga subscribers na hindi YouTubers. Unless gusto nyo na lang talaga na parang social media na lang talaga to, na para maibsan or so that it will lessen your kasi madami kasi nagsasabi na ginagamit daw nila kasi ito dahil it will lessen their sadness because they're out of their family, stuff like this. So what's the difference in doing it on Facebook? Anong diferensya? Bakit pa nag-YouTube? Diba? Real talk. So, I know na meron tayong difference of opinion dito, pero sa akin kasi, I've been doing this for over 1 year na. And I will always try to upload videos thinking na yung mga videos ko guys is nakikita nung mga nagsisearch na mga tao sa YouTube. Ang gusto ko na lahat ng video na-upload ko is para makakuha ng subscribers na hindi YouTubers. Yung, for example, nag-type sila, paano kumita sa Facebook or paano kumita sa YouTube. And then, after they hit on enter, nakikita nila yung video mo. Yun ang target ko. And then, dapat ang target nyo. Kasi, bakit pa kayo nandito sa YouTube kung hindi lang din yun ang target nyo, di ba? Alright. So, if meron kayong mga violent reactions, mga questions, guys, sorry. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below. It's just that right now, it has been sort of my passion is now mixed with a little bit of business side. Maging practical tayo. That's what I'm telling you. So always tell your viewers as well the first few minutes of the video to subscribe. Kasi merong mga ibang YouTubers or vloggers na nakakalimutan nila yan. So that's my third tip. Always on the first minute or the first few minutes of your video, tell the viewers to hit the subscribe button below. Alright, thank you guys for listening, and you have to really appreciate that nagtagalog ako for the most part, diba? Bye-bye!